Hi guys, welcome to Safi Mix. In this video, I will let you know how to insert clip art into your slides from online sources, and that is quite easy. You just need to click on the Insert tab, and then in the drop-down menu on the Picture group, you come here to Online Pictures, and this directory opens, and there is a lot of options available for different pictures. For example, I want to click on birds. So inside this is in fact a folder. Inside the birds we would have different options, and I want to pick one of these pictures. So if I select the picture and then click insert, it will be inserted to your slide. So you can choose from different options. This automatically opens. You can choose this one, or you can, these are then the design and the different designs available for your picture. So this way you can insert a picture or clip art from online sources available in your PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.